you the recipe of fish curry with elephant apple. Elephant apple is highly valued for its medicinal properties. The apple-like yellow-green edible fruit are relished by elephants and hence the name elephant apple. It is also known as chalta in Hindi and Outenga in Assamese. People of North-East cherish Outenga during summers and use it to prepare curries, dals and pickles. It is sour in taste and very flavorful when cooked. So without delay, let me show you how to prepare the curry. Here I have taken some rohu fish and marinated with salt and turmeric, and I'll be keeping the fish aside for 15 minutes like this. In the meantime, I will cut the outenga, that is the elephant apple, into 2 halves. Be very careful while cutting the fruit as the fruit tends to be very slimy. Remove the inner portion from the fruit as shown. Cut it into small slices. Now I shall also be peeling 2 potatoes and cut it into 2 halves. In a pressure cooker, I will be adding the potatoes and the outenga. Add some water. Here I have added 1.5 cup of water. Add turmeric. And salt according to the taste. Give 2 whistles in medium flame. In a pan, add around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add the pieces of fish when the oil is nice and hot. Shallow fry the fish. Now take out the fishes in a tray once the fishes are fried on both sides. Into the same oil, add around 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and cover with a lid immediately as the mustard seeds tends to splatter a lot. Add ginger or garlic paste. Saute for a while. Add some chilies according to your taste. Now pour the potato and outenga that we boiled in the pressure cooker into the same pan. Break the potatoes with the help of the spoon. Let it simmer for around 3 minutes. Add the fried fish. Stir gently. Cover it with a lid and let it simmer for around 4 minutes. Here I have added a tiny piece of coarse chili. You can skip the process if you do not want your curry to be very spicy. Also gently turn the fish pieces and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. My fish curry has been cooked. I shall be serving this fish curry along with hot rice. Friends, do try this recipe once and I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. If you like my video, kindly like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.